Dory? Helen, bring me in the dance hall racket.
Hello everybody, welcome back. If you're a new viewer, hello, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, yes, I bleached my hair. Alright, so today I'm gonna talk about how I style my knitwear. This is my most recent finished object, which is the Ripple Halter by Jessie Mae Designs. I'll make sure everything is linked down below. As always, the yarn is from Dragon Horde Yarn. It was one of the Mystery Club colorways. First thing first, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna put a new face on, and we're gonna get going. I'm gonna try and use like minimal accessories to show like the versatility of only owning a couple of things, which we all know how many times it's right here. I use this belt, this elastic belt on everything, so you're gonna see this a lot. You'll probably see one or two of my hats. And I was gonna try and style it with this new necklace I got from TJ Maxx. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. So if you're interested in how I style my knitwear, just keep watching, cause let's put some outfits together. Finished up with my hair for the day. And now we're gonna put this on. Takes me about like a scary like hour almost to get all of my hair curled. And yes, I brush it out, obviously, because, all right, let's go finish this up and then show you off some outfits. I'm actually gonna wear this today, so I guess we could just start off with this one real quick. Let's move this all around. Hold on. So we'll go with this one first before I even put on makeup. This is completely and utterly casual. We've got it with high-waisted leggings. Completely fine. This is a look all in one. You can wear it like this. Throw on some sneakers, you know. Done. So I was gonna go with a more neutral lip for this look to pair everything, but I got somewhere to go, so we went with the MAC lipstick in the matte finish Marrakesh, one of my favorite lip colors. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna change everything up, but this is basically the half of the look. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so, I don't know. That just took way longer than I thought, but, like, I'm actually gonna wear this today. And we decided to go with this green skirt for the outfit of the day with these sunglasses. I just really wanted to film a montage of how to style the shirt so I could really pick out my outfit for the day. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. I apologize if you can hear, oh my gosh, my face is actually crooked, guys. It's not my sunglasses. Just this side of my face is higher, so I tend to fit. Anyways, if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and comment if you want to see more like this, because this was really fun to put together. I know I'm gonna like have to do like something fun with those montage shots of the outfits, but your ghoul is out for the rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.